The Vortex is a maneuver created by Daniel Holman. If you go to his YouTube channel, he's got an awesome video that shows the maneuver being done multiple times with the real airplane, so it's a really good reference as well. Now I'm going to break down the video and give a couple little tips about how to do this maneuver. This maneuver is awesome. It requires a high-performing airplane. You need to have a lot of confidence in your airplane, so I would not recommend doing this with anything that would not classify as high performance. I also would like to say that this maneuver is dangerous and can get you into a lot of trouble. So let's break down the maneuver and learn how to do it. One thing I want to highlight about this maneuver is the rudder input. I'm going to pause the video at an exact moment and I want you to take a look at what rudder input he's giving. When you pause at this moment, you'll see that the rudder is actually pushing the nose towards the ground, and that is one of the main things about this maneuver. You're not holding the nose up or pushing the nose down. It really depends on what the airplane does. In another clip I'll show you, you'll actually see he's using the rudder to push the nose up. So the moral of the story for this maneuver is to watch that rudder input. Sometimes you will have to push the rudder into the ground to stay in that vortex rotation. I would like to say that the simulator does make this seem easier than it actually is. So we're going to break this clip down real quick, and I want you to focus on the minor corrections I'm getting with the rudder and the aileron. So the first big step in this maneuver is you're going to kind of let off the rudder and give the large elevator input. So there's our elevator input. We get off the rudder. So we're holding a knife edge. We're still a knife edge, and now our nose is kind of pointing up. So we need to give a counter rudder input. So now we're actually giving input into the ground. And now I realize, okay, that was a little too much. I want to get back into knife edge, so I give the opposite rudder to get back. And also I'm giving a left aileron input to make sure the wings stay in that vertical position. There's a lot going on, but it's actually pretty simple when you break it down to the little things. The rudder is keeping you in knife edge, and your ailerons are keeping your wings vertical. That's what it is. Now here's a mode 1 view, and I want to make one final point. When you're entering this maneuver and giving that large elevator push, be careful. If you preemptively give a rudder input, you'll end up usually snapping the airplane or not getting a nice horizontal rotation. So be careful that you don't want to do a snap in this maneuver. It's strictly an elevator input and then the rudder corrections. If you overdo it, you can end up snapping the airplane. That is it for this 3D maneuver of the day. I hope you enjoy. Please follow me on my stream every Thursday at 8 p.m. Eastern Time. Follow me on my Facebook page and make sure to check out the How to 3D Facebook group. There's more information in the description. Thank you for watching, and please comment with what you want to see next. This is a harder maneuver, so the next one's going to go back down, kind of where we were with inverted Harriers and normal Harriers. But I do want to throw in something more advanced every now and then. So I'll see you guys next time, and I hope you enjoy and learn.